Hello everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys? Everything good?
Yes, sir. Fine.
All right. Revised what we did in last class?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hamza, what about you?
Yes, sir, revised.
All right. So we have got two Hamzas. So I'll be calling the other one Sheikh. Is it all right? Hamza Sheikhani. You are not audible.
Call me Shekhani.
All right. I'll call you Sheikhani. All right, Sheikhani, this is your first class, right? Yeah. You need to check your mic because you are not audible. All right. Sheikhani, let me just revise the last class a bit, and then you can ask for the lectures. All right. So we started matrices in the last class. What is a matrix? Matrix is arrangement of data. All right. How you store things. There are many rows in it and columns in it. All right. Suppose I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it has two rows. This is row 1. This is row 2. And it has four columns. This is C1, C2, C3, and C4. All right. So matrix consists of rows and columns. All right. And these rows and columns can be of any number. All right. They don't have to equal. It can be any random number. All right. We always represent matrix in capital form, like A matrix. And in short, we write this as Aij, where I is row number and J is column number. All right. So each element can be represented like this. So here this is A11 because first row, first column. This is A12, first row, second column. A13, first row, third column, and so on. This will be A24, second row and fourth column. So each element can be represented by this. All right. Shegani, this is clear?
Yes.
All right. The rest of the things you can get out of the lectures. All right. And focus on today's class also. All right. So we studied types of matrices in the last class. Today, let's start with equality of matrices. All right. When are two matrices equal? For right, you can write down after I explain. All right. Now just keep your pen on your desk and listen. For two matrices to be equal, their order must be same. Order here means, Shikani, in this example, we had two rows and four columns. So order is 2 by 4. Okay, two rows and four columns. This is called order. All right. So their order must be same, and each corresponding element must be same. All right. What this means is, if A equals to Aij and B equals to Bij are two matrices of order m by n, then if A equals to B, then we'll write Aij equals to Bij for all I equals to j. All right. Just write it down, then I'll explain. Write it down. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. So all these languages, just for the sake of it, just understand this, that if two matrices are equal, then the order must be same. All right. What this means is the rows and columns must be equal. And if I write 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and this is equals to something, some other matrix, then here also 1, 2, 3, 4 must be written as it is. All right. A11 would be, if 1, then B11 must be 1 also. All right. Corresponding element must be C. All right.
Yes,
Nothing
sir.
can change. Yeah. The order also must be same. All the elements must be same. All right. Then only we can say two matrices are equal. So if I write A, B, C, D equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. And Krishna, what is the value of B?
2, sir.
2. And Hamza, what is the value of C?
3.
3. And Shekhani, what is the value of A?
A is 1.
1. Absolutely right. So this is clear. Equality of matrix.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Write
sir.
down the examples. Then we'll solve one question. All right. If you noted down the examples, then solve this question. We have given two matrices and they are saying two matrices are equal and find the variables. All right. You can solve this, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then I'll give you 2 minutes. Solve this one.
Sir, is the second element in the first row z plus y or z plus 4?
Z plus 4. This is Z plus 4.
What is the element of B in third row and third column? No, second row and third column.
2C plus 2. All right. And from now on, don't say second row, third column like that. Just say B2, 3. All right. B2, 3 means second row, third column.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, done.
All right. Shikhani, Hamza, what about you?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right. Shikhani is done. Krishna, Hamza,
Done, sir.
done. All right. Hamza, what about you?
Sir, almost done.
Almost done. All right. You need me to solve this, or shall we move ahead?
If it will be good if you tell us the answers to cross check.
All right. Let's see. Here, x is -3, z is 2, and y is -5, I guess.
Yes, I got -5.
All right. A is -2, C is -1.
I got C as 0.
0. C 2C plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2C equals
Okay,
to
I didn't
-1.
add the 2. Okay.
Right, all right. So C is -1. B is -7. That's all. All right. You can match the answers.
Sir, I got B as 2, sir.
Just let me check. 2B plus 4 is equals to
I
B
got B
minus.
as -8.
All right. See, 2B plus 4 is B minus 3. So let's take this B this side, this 4 this side. So B is equals to -3 minus 4 is -7. All right. Oh, sorry. There is -21. No, -21 is this element. All right.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So B is -7. All the answers match. Anyone any doubts?
No, sir, no
Um,
doubts.
if Y is -5, then shouldn't that be -5 to be -5?
If Y is -5, then which one you are saying?
The one B minus 3 is equal to 2B plus 5 plus Y.
No, this is 4. This is not -5. Not
Oh,
Y.
it's 4.
Yeah. All right. See, I have a really bad handwriting, so you can ask if you have any doubts while reading something. All right. Clear? Next question. What is the easiest question? Next question is 2A plus B, A minus 2B, 5C minus D, 4C plus 3D is equals to 4 minus 3, 11, and 24. Find A, B, C, and D. All right. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I do not understand this question. I do not know how to do it.
All right. Hamza, Krishna, what about you?
It's still doing.
Doing all right. See, what we can do here is compare the elements, right? This must be equals to 4, Shekhani, right?
Yes.
So write it down. 2a plus b must be equals to 4. A minus 2b must be equals to minus 3. Now you can solve these two equations to find a and b. Same for these two elements. 5c minus d is equals to 11. 4c plus 3d equals to 24. Solve these two equations and you'll get c and d. How we can solve these two equations? You can multiply this equation by 2 on both sides and add, subtract them. All right, so 2a and minus 2a will be cancelled. This will be b plus 4b, so 5b, and 4 plus 6, 10, so b is equals to 2, right? If b is 2, then a is 1. Shikhani, is this clear, or should I solve this?
Yes, that part is clear.
All right. So you can solve these two equations also, right?
Yes.
Sir,
I'll
can you
solve
find
them.
the value of C, sir? I am having doubt there.
Let's see. You can multiply this with 3 and add. All right. So we have 15c minus 3d equals to 33. 4c plus 3d equals to 24. Add them. So this is 19c is equals to 757, right? So c is 3, I guess. All right. If c is 3, then
Yes, sir.
d is 4, right? So d is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the values. All right.
Yes, sir.
Shikhani, this is clear?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
All right. You don't seem that confident. No need to be hesitant here, right? We are all learning here. So if you have any issues, just ask. All right. Next question. A plus B, 2, 5, AB is equals to 6, 2, 5, 8. Find A and B. All right. Few minutes for this also.
Done.
Done, sir.
All right, you can match the answers. A is 2 and B is 4.
4.
And there is another answer also. A is 4 and B is 2,
Yes.
right? A is 2, B is 4, or A is 4 and B is 2. Did everyone solve this?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's move ahead. Another question. Two plus 1, 3y, 0, y square is equals to x plus 3, y square, 0 and 9. All right, find x and y.
Done.
Done, sir.
What answers are you getting?
X is equal to 2 and Y is equal to 3.
3. All right. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Next question. 2x plus 1, 5x, 0, y square plus 1 is equals to x plus 3, 10, 0, 26. Find x plus y. All right.
Is that Y square plus 1?
Yes, this is y square plus 1.
Done, sir.
Done. 5 plus 2.
Right. Let's see. 5 plus 2. 2x plus 1 is x plus 3. So x must be equals to 1. From here x is 2. We are getting two values of x, right? Or is it not?
No, sir. It's x is equal to 2, sir, in the first case. It's
X is equals to 2. This one, yeah, right. X is equal to 2. My bad. And y is plus minus 5. Right? Y square is 25. That means y is plus minus 5.
Yes.
yes, sir.
So we are getting two values, 2 and 5 and 2 and minus 5. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't omit options here. If you see, that is why they are asking x plus y. So x plus y will be 7 or minus 3. All right? Next question. A plus 4, 3b, 8, minus 6. 2a plus 2, b square plus 2, 8, b square minus 10. Let's solve this. You have to find a and b.
Done, sir.
Let's send the answer on chat. Hamza, Krishna, what about you?
Yes, sir, Sandy.
See how we can solve this? We can write a plus 4 is 2a plus 2. So a is 2 by 2. No, sorry, 2. A is 2, a is 2 or 2 by 3. Let's see. All right, a is 2. Now for b, we can write 3b is equals to b square plus 2. Or we can say b square minus 3b plus 2 is 0. So here b square minus 2b minus b plus 2 is equal to 0. Taking b common here, so b minus 2 minus 1 common, b minus 2 equals to 0. So either b is 1 or b is 2 from here, right? From the first equation. Now from the second equation, what we can write? B square minus 10 is equals to minus 6. So b square minus 4 is equals to 0. So b minus 2 and b plus 2 is equals to 0. So b is either minus 2 or plus 2. See, whenever you see two equations giving them values, then always take common value. All right? Because the value has to satisfy both the equation of the matrix, right?
Yes, sir.
So always take common value. So a is 2 and b is also 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Shekhani, you were correct for first time, but then you sent me b is plus minus 2, which is wrong. All right.
Yes.
All right. Addition of, so this equality of matrix is clear, I guess. No matter what question you get, I think you will able to solve this. Addition of two matrices. If A and B are two matrices of order m cross n, then addition of A and B will be the addition of corresponding elements in the matrices. What this means is, if we have to add 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, then just add then elements with their corresponding orders. 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 7 is 11, 5 plus 8 is 30. All right,
Yes, sir.
very easy. How we can write that in language? If a plus b, where a is aij and b is bij, then a plus b will be aij plus bij for all I and j, right? Each corresponding element will be added. Note it down. Hamza, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, write it down.
Sir, can you scroll a bit up?
Sir, can you scroll down? Done, sir.
All right. Solve this question. Let's solve this one. Hello, Rishan. You are late today also. All right. So the timing, no worries. We are going to change the timing after the Ramadan. All right. All right, Rishan. Did you watch last class lecture? All right, Ishan. Let me revise you just a bit what we did today. All right, Ishan. All right. Today that will be sent. All right, no worries. And today what we did is equality of matrices. All right. If two matrices are equal, then the corresponding element will be equal. If A, B, C, D is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, then A will be equals to 1, B will be equals to 2, C will be equals to 3, D will be equals to 4. All right. This is all equality of matrices. The order must be same, right? Otherwise, how will you get corresponding elements? We just started addition of matrices. If you have to add two matrices, first you have to look that the order is same. All right. Then add the corresponding elements. So the answer will be 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1, 6 plus 6 is 12, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 3 minus 6 is minus 3. All right. I just added each corresponding elements. So that is the addition of matrices. All right, Ishan. And all of you, the answer matched.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. This is a no-brainer, right? Addition of matrices. All right. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar quantity. All right. Scalar, you all know, some constant number. If you multiply a constant quantity into a matrix, what happens? All right. If there is a constant and you multiply this to a matrix, what happens? Each element is multiplied by that scalar quantity. So this will become 2k, 3k, 4k, and 5k. All right. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you multiply the value of k here is 2, suppose, and the matrix is this, and this will become 2 minus 4, 8, and 10. All the elements will be multiplied by the scalar. All right. Write down in language also. If we multiply a matrix A with a scalar k, then each element will be multiplied by that scalar k. All right, note it down. Everyone noted down? Dishan, Shikani, Hamza.
Yes.
All right. Subtraction of two matrices. For two matrices of the same order, A and B, the subtraction of B from A is represented by A minus B is equals to A plus minus B. All right. There is no concept of subtraction, but we can add by a negative matrix. All right. So what this means is, if A is 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, and someone asks you A minus B, then what you have to do is A plus minus B. All right. So what is minus B here? You have to multiply a -1 to the matrix B, so all the elements become negative. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8 plus -1, -2, -3, -4. This step is clear, everyone? I multiplied this -1 to the matrix B, so all the elements became negative. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now we can just add them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. All right. This is subtraction of matrix. Don't write this step in exams. You can do directly subtraction also. This is just for your understanding. All right. In examination, just subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, like that. These steps are unnecessary. All right.
Yes, sir. So what is after forms A?
From A, this is capital A first of all. All right. From A is represented by A minus B, which is equals to A plus minus B. All right.
Yes, sir.
Note it down. This is a bit boring stuff, I guess, right? Theory. Once we start doing questions, this will be fun. Any one of you wants to become machine learning engineer or something like that? Artificial intelligence, wants to work on that in future? All right.
So I want to go for software engineer.
Software engineer. All right. So in software engineering, this is very demanding field, right? In today's world, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. So matrix is one of the crucial things in all of these fields. Right? All the data is represented by matrices only. All right. So don't take this chapter lightly if you want to do something in software. This clear? All right. One question. Three a minus 2b. Find 3a minus 2b. All right, very easy question. Tell me when you are done. Rishan, are you able to understand this? What is subtraction and addition, scalar multiplication, or everything? All right. Solve this one.
Done, sir.
All right, how we can solve this? 3a, let's find out 3a. 3a will be 6 minus 3, 9 and 3, right? And 3b will be, sorry, 2b will be 2, 8, 14 and 4. Now we have to subtract this. So this will be 3a minus 2b is equals to 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11, 9 minus 14 is minus 5, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, Hamza, Shekhani, Rishan.
Yes.
All right. Next question. Simplify cos square x, sin square x, sin square x, cos square x plus sin square x, cos square x, cos square x and sin square x. All right.
I don't know how to solve this.
All right. Let's see. One. Krishna, you are saying one. All right. Hamza, what about you?
So not sure about it.
Not sure. All right. So we simply add corresponding elements. This will be cos square x plus sin square x. This is sin square x plus cos square x. This is sin square x plus cos square x. This is cos square x plus sin square x. All right. And this is an identity you have known for ages, right? We studied this in class 10th also. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here
Yes,
also
sir.
sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, 1, 1. So this is 1, 1, 1. All right. And Krishna, this does not become equal to 1. All right. This is a 2 by 2 matrix and this is a 1 by 1 matrix. All right.
Sir, if all elements are same, we can't represent as like that, sir. Like one.
No, no, no. See, the order is different, right?
Yes, sir.
The order doesn't change after you add or subtract two matrices. All right. The order remains same.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Shekhani, Hamza, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. So who is here afraid of trigonometry?
Sir,
Me.
me a little bit.
A little bit or a lot?
I
Be
am
No, sir,
frank
afraid
with
like
of
a
me.
little bit.
trigonometry.
Like
Little
in
bit.
11th, the second half of my trigonometry was quite bad because the first half was good. I can do derivatives and all, but like some
Formula
things
based
confuse
quiz.
me a lot.
All right. All right. Got it. I should know that, right? Because in integration there are like lots of questions using trigonometry. So this happens to you, like you see trigonometry in a question and you get a little bit anxiety, something like that. Like what should I do? And these thoughts come
Yes,
into your
sir.
mind. All right. So that is an issue. So how to solve that? Do you have 11th NCRT book with you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Open that chapter trigonometry. All right. Solve 3 questions daily. All right. Only 3 questions. Not one question more. All right. Just open the book. Start from first exercise. Solve 3 questions. If you have any doubts, then ask me in the next class. All right. Do that till we start integration. The fear of trigonometry will be finished and you will be good in integration also. All right. Because in integration, the whole trigonometry is there. All right.
Yes, sir.
So 3 question is not a lot. Shekani, you also?
Yes.
All right. And if you don't do that, then integration will be gone, vanished in air. Next one. If a plus 2, 3, minus 1 and 4 is equals to 3, minus 6, minus 3 and 8, find a. All right. Try to solve this one.
I did not understand this question.
All right. See, if we have x plus 2 equals to 5, how do we solve this?
We'll put 2 over there and it will become 5 minus 2 and it will be equal to 3.
Absolutely right. So this is, we can write x is 5 minus 2, right? Same way, if you have a matrix A plus a matrix C, B is equals to matrix C, and can you write A is equals to C minus B?
Yes.
That way you can solve this. All right.
Sorry, can you put that up? Scroll up. I did a plus 3 is equal to minus 6, and then I'm getting the answer a is equal to a is equal to minus 9. But on the left side, when I did a plus 2, I'm getting a is equal to 1.
No. See, Shikani, this A is a matrix, right? And if you see the definition where I told you about addition, if A is added to a matrix B, then the order of A must be equal to this. So if you have to assume A, then assume like this: X, Y, W, Z. All right, Y, Z, W, Z. All right, because the order must be same. Otherwise, you cannot add two matrices. Right, Shikani?
Yes. So how should we add?
Right. So see, there is two ways to solve this. Suppose A is X, Y, W, Z. All right. Now the question says X, Y, W, Z plus, what are the numbers here? 2, 3, minus 1, 4. Is equals to 3 minus 6 minus 3, 8. All right. Now first add these two. So this will become X plus 2, Y plus 3, W minus 1, Z plus 4. Is equals to 3 minus 6 minus 3, 8. All right. Now two matrices are equal. That means corresponding elements will be equal. So X plus 2 is equals to 3. So X is 1. Y plus 3 is equals to minus 6. So Y is minus 9. W minus 1 is minus 3. W is minus 2. Z plus 4 is 8. So Z is 4. All right. This way you got the matrix as 1, minus 9, minus 2, and 4. All right. This is one way to solve this. This is clear?
Yes. So when someone asks what is equal to a equals, then we have to say 1 minus 9 minus 2 and 4.
Right. Because this is a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. All right. What is the other way? The lengthy way. The other way will be if A plus B equals to C, then A is C minus B. That means just subtract. Here the value of C was 3 minus 6 minus 3, 8, and B was B 2, 3 minus 1, 4. Right? If you just subtract these two, you will get the answer. So 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, 8 minus 4 is 4. All right. So this is matrix A.
Oh,
Clear, Shikani?
yes, yes.
All right, Krishna, Hamza.
Yes, sir. Got the same answer.
All right. Note down these two methods. All right. Sometimes you have to use this method also. Assume the matrix and solve. All right. So note down this method also.
Done, sir.
All right. So, any doubts from today's class? Anyone?
No, it's absolutely clear.
Absolutely clear. All right. Then I hope you are going to revise and solve the assignment that you will get today. All right.
Yes, sir.
And also trigonometry, right?
Yes.
Only 3 questions. Yeah, because that is very important. You cannot clear 12th without passing 11th in a very good way. All right. So focus on trigonometry also. Slow and steady will win the race. And this is all for today's class. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank
See you in
you.
the next class. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All right. Take care.
Thank you.